Hey there. Several people have asked me about making mango avocado salsa. I posted a video about cutting avocado safely. I'll be doing that same procedure on this avocado today. If you want to know that or want to look at how to cut an avocado safely, I'll post the link in the description if I can. If not, it's on my channel. You can go find it. But to make mango avocado salsa, there's just a few ingredients that you're going to need. Some red onion, about 1/4 cup, part of a lemon for lemon juice, avocado, a mango, of course, a glass, we'll get to that, some fresh ground pepper, salt, about 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a spoon. Okay, and that will all come in. And of course, you're going to need a knife, and we'll use all those. So let's clear some of this stuff off here. Move it over to the side. We'll use it as we get to those ingredients, and we are going to go all the way down until we're just at the avocado here. Okay, so we're going to bring all this together for you. I have a bowl off to the side here that we're going to be using to collect all of our ingredients and use that. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the avocado. It's going to be a very quick process. If you want to know the detailed one, you can see that later, but go ahead and just cut your avocado, through it, pull that apart, get your spoon, excise around that sucker. There you go, nice and easy, and out it goes. Go ahead and grab that. And get off there. There we go. All right. Slide on around there. And out it comes. Flip it over. Flip it over. There we go. All right. So we have our avocado. Chop your avocado up. I do the same procedure, a little bit slower for you on the other video, but you're just chopping it up so you're not holding the avocado in your hand and risk cutting yourself. So all that goes in the bowl. Take the other half, chop all that up. There you go. Off that goes. All right, so now you've got some nice avocado in the bowl. And we're going to clean up our palette here just a little bit. Rinse that off. See if we can clean that up a little bit from the avocado. Okay, mango. Your mango, a lot of people get into a little bit of, thoughts about how to cut a mango because there is a seed in the middle of it. You've probably seen it on maybe some other videos or maybe even Alton Brown's show or anybody else where you're looking at that, but just take the top right here, okay? Right up to the top, just insert, score down, and sometimes like right now you'll hit the inner seed here. Okay, so just angle your knife just a little bit, and it'll slide around and just angle it back down. There you go. There's part of your mango for you. So we're going to set that off. This is where the glass comes in, okay? Trying to hold this the same way safely and try to cut this and excise it, you're putting your hand at risk, okay? You don't want to do that. So you take your mango right on the side here. See if I can get a better angle here. Just like that. Press it into the side of the glass. Roll it down the side of the glass, and there's your mango right inside. Nice empty shell. Okay, just grab your knife, pull the mango out. There you go. Get a little juice if you want it there, and I just pour it right in with the avocados. Okay, and just go ahead and cut your mango nice and safely on the board. You're not holding it in your hand. You can do things safely in the kitchen. All right, and there's your mango. Put all that in the bowl. And there we've got our mango and avocado going. Okay. Your lemon. Okay. you want about a quarter of a lemon, right about there. The reason for lemon, one is flavor, and two, if you're going to be serving this but you need to prepare beforehand, the lemon juice will stop the avocado from browning because of the citric acid. So I use a squeeze, but you can also just simply squeeze it in your hand. But you want to watch for the seeds on this. It can come out on you. So I just put it in the press here. Grab it, and there it goes right into it. So you can squeeze that. Drop all the lemon juice right in there. And then if you want, since we're over the squeezer anyway, you can just simply, you can get some extra. You heard that seed come out. That's why we're doing it in the press. Keep those seeds out of there. There they are. Okay, you don't want those. Those are not good things to have in your food. So, okay, we've got our mango and we've got our avocado, lemon juice. Stir that around. Make sure we coat everything with a little lemon juice. You can put this in the refrigerator for hours, as long as it has lemon juice, and it will not brown on you because of the citric acid. So, always a bonus. Okay, so now we're going to add our red onion to the mix. Just simply add that in there. Our garlic powder, about a quarter of a teaspoon. Okay. Now, thing about seasonings, and this is what I always say, I have a how to make spaghetti on my channel as well. I talk about it there. It's always easier to put more spices in, very hard to take them out. So always err on the side of being minimal with your spices. Taste it, and then you can add more if you think you need it. But in this case, I'm just going to add just a little tiny sprinkle of salt and just leave that. I'm using kosher salt, by the way. And some ground black pepper. I have found, it is true, instead of buying ground pepper already pre-ground, the taste of pepper when you grind it yourself is so much better. So there you go. You got all your mixings in, all the stuff is ready, and ooh, I'm getting a little overzealous there, aren't I? All right, there we go. Just throw it back in the bowl. It doesn't care. All right, so now we are all mixed up. Now there's one more ingredient that we need here. Right there. And that is our cilantro. I buy it fresh. Just sprinkle some in there. You can also use dried cilantro if you want. Especially if you're making it beforehand, it's going to have some time to sit inside the mango salsa here and get a little moisture on it. But if you're going to serve it right away, I would definitely go with the fresh. Okay, so mix all that up. Make sure we got all our spices integrated. You can also add, I'm not doing it this morning, but you can also add a little bit of red pepper flake to spice it up if you want. But like I said, minimal spices and increase as needed, because you can always put more in, you can't ever take any out. So we're going to try this. Fantastic as always. You put those ingredients together, it's really good. So there you go, mango avocado salsa. Use it to eat with your scrambled eggs, especially really good with seafood. Fish. You can use it with chicken. You can use it as a little salsa to go with just about anything. So it's got that lemon flavor, the tartness, sweet of the mango, the real earthy, neutral tone of the avocados, and that little bit of ting of the cilantro really brings it home. So there you go. There's your mango avocado salsa. Make it, enjoy it, and hope you enjoyed it. Thanks a lot. See you later.